What if I told you you can build a website in less than 5 minutes without paying a single dollar? Yeah, you can build a full website in less than 5 minutes using AI without paying a single dollar. Yeah, I know it sounds like pure magic, right? Forget about expensive designers, tricky coding, or a monthly subscription fee. AI handles it all for you. Whether you are an ambitious entrepreneur, a busy student with a project, a website designer needing lightning fast prototype, or just a tech curious individuals, this video is about to blow your mind. I am going to show you how a groundbreaking AI tool makes creating a stunning functional website like unbelievably simple website so great. For ages, getting a website up and running felt like a huge mountain to climb. It demanded special skills, lots of time, or emptying your wallet. But those days are over. So imagining just typing a simple sentences about your dream projects like I need a professional website and or I need a professional portfolio site for my photography business, showing my best work and contact info, and boom, in less than 300 seconds. You see, you have a gorgeous website that is fully customized and up and running. So, guys, this isn't just a basic page. We are talking about a full-fledged navigation, beautiful layout, and a responsive site, responsive design, all done by AI. Best free AI tools that can create your website automatically. No coding is required. So, no coding, no money, meaning that you're getting everything just like that for free. So, the first one we are having is Wix AI. This Wix AI, that is the first one. It is the easiest tool. You get it, Wix AI. So, for building, this is the official website, the Wix AI. So for building what? For building your website. So it goes from what? They say goes from a prompt to a business ready website. You can just get started, click on get started to start, or you click here to get started, or you can log in and register also. They just browse inside for us to see. So with this particular Wix, so it is the easiest tool for beginners. This is very beginners friendly. Wix AI, for those who are coming to start, who want to start building website to learn how to use AI. This one is very beginners friendly, which is good. So just answer a few questions that Wix is going to generate for you. So with Wix AI, it is going to generate a full website for you automatically for you to get. So as I said, it is very beginners friendly. So you just scroll down, you're going to see everything. When you're ready to see, you just want to read to understand some things inside. What you need to do is just to click on get started. Whatever the type of website you want, you just give it the prompt, explain what you want, and it is going to generate the full website, how you want to create a website with AI for free. Whatever, when you've gone through, it says, well, describe your vision. Tell our free AI website builder. You see, it is a free AI website builder. What you need, share your business goals and style to get your own custom website in seconds. The second thing is that watch AI build your website. Just give it some few seconds. It build a website. So you use the AI generator to create a professional site with built-in business tools tailored for your own specific goals and industry. The next thing is just to make it yours. So partner with Aria or whatever, this depends on you how you want to work with it. Then you can just do what, publish it and grow. You just launch your AI business site, launch it so that people can be able to get to you. Okay, that is just it. So you just need to tell whatever you want to. So turn your website into a brand with a perfect domain, if that is what you want to do. So, but it's good for you to first of all build a website. So this is the first one, guys. You just need to do what, to click on the get started. So the next one we are having, guys, as we've seen, the next one is our Framer AI. That is it. So you can click either the first or the second link. Then you can click on either of it. It's going to open. So this is our Framer AI. This is how it looks like. So now, guys, look at what happens. With this Framer AI, it is best suited for what? It is perfect if you want a beautiful and modern website design. So the Framer AI turns your ideas into a stunning website instantly. Modern websites that you want to build. So it is best for design. So this is it, guys. You just need to never start from scratch. You just type in the prompt and you give whatever you want to. It says it depends on whatever you want it for. You're going to select the options. So this is how it is. If the layout is going to look like, as you're going to keep going through, you scroll down to see how you can give your prompt based on your requirement, based on what you want to be able to give. You remember, it designs whatever you ask it to design. You tell it, it is going to type, it is going to do what, go into design that for you. So that is how it's going to create the website. So just scroll inside and see, just to visualize, to understand a lot inside. If you're done, you just click on get started. So start, it is going to do what? It's going to ask you some questions for you to put the prompts, and then it's going to give you now for it to start. You click on generate, it start generating based on whatever you want it to design. Whether it is a website, it is an app, or whether it is a portfolio, whatever it is that you want it to do for you, you just need to specify it, and then it is going to design it based on it. Click on get started, for you if you're ready, then you click on it, it is going to design it for you. So this is how Framer AI work. And then the next one we are going to be having, it is the web flow. As you can see, that is it there. You can see the link of it. There's the next one we are having, which is the web flow. And this web flow, it is also very beautiful. It is more, it is what? It is a more advanced, but it gives you a full control to create a professional website with no limit. So this is the official site, guys. So we can be able to do what, to style our website editor called coding free animations. So you just give it, you need to just type whatever your prompt you want to type, means giving all the requirements of your website, and we give everything. But it says start fast, build right. For what happened now is that you're going to click on generate. It is going to now generate the entire website for you, build it based on whatever. Remember, guys, whatever AI does, it only respond to your questions. It responds to whatever you give it to do. That's how it responds to build. Whatever you've asked it to do, it responds to it. When after you've done writing everything, you just need to click on generate, and it is going to generate it for you. So you can just browse through and see how it goes. You just click on get started. It is going to get started for you to start writing the prompt and describing how you want your website to be, how you want the layout to look like, the various visuals you want to use there. So these are just some examples you're seeing, like for example, an online store. This is just this is a website. Somebody wants to just build an online store for selling maybe flowers or whatever it is. So how does it work? So how does this work? The first one is that what? It is going to for you to describe whatever you want it to do for you. You get it? You give the description of it, everything you want it to do for you based on what we are seeing here. And then it is going to get the prompt for you. That is what you're saying. And then the next thing you can do there is what? By going out to add what? To add now some other things. Maybe you want to add now some visual, add things that you want to make it to look more professional, more readable, and more like for you to make the site good. You can style it the way you want it to create, create some fields to customize it the way you want it to be. Customize it now means that you can own it to mean and look the way you want it, so it should be different from other people's website. Meaning that if you're having an online store, yours is different. So Webflow AI, this Webflow AI, science leader, what? This is somebody given what? His own testimonial of how this Webflow AI helped him to be able to build his own website, and how he went through successfully and came out victoriously, which is a very good testimonial, right? Because if you read through with what I'm saying here, you're going to understand that it was very, very helpful and it's very, very beautiful. So for him to only to finish and publish it with confidence, you know, Baker did it. And therefore means that you also can do the same thing. You can be able to do it. Just click on get started, and you are able to do what, to get started. So there are questions here. If you, in case maybe you're stuck, you can go through the questions and see the various response there to see how you can be able to help you. So that's just it, guys. And as I told you guys that I am not going to go detailedly into the particular, show you step by step. If you want me to go detailedly, just comment, start my own website in what? Inside the comment section. And if you have not liked this video, guys, what are you waiting for? Click the like button, share with others, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep going. We have a lot of things to build here with AI that we can go through this journey and work together. Let me hold your hands, and you hold my hands. We walk through to see how it goes. So that is it, guys. So just click on the like button, and if you're not if you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload videos on AI, because we have so fun things to do. The next one we are having, guys, is a GoDaddy. The GoDaddy AI is the next one that we are having on the list, which is our GoDaddy AI. So I'm just going to click on the first or the second link. You can click on either of it. It's going to open to the particular website. So the GoDaddy AI, if speed, this particular website, if speed is your priority, then GoDaddy can build you a website in seconds. So it is perfect for quick business launches. So fast-paced website creation, business-oriented visuals. That is one thing about this GoDaddy. So as usual, we always need to what? To sign in, sign up, whatever we want to do. So for each of them, for us to start working. So it is very good for, it's the fastest website builder. The fastest builder that can be able to build what? Build your website. GoDaddy is very fast. You just need to enter the prompt, tell it whatever you want it to do for you, and then you click on generate. It's going to generate a particular website for you. Everything you're going to have. So you just need to click on get started. It's going to give actually as usual the questions for you to go to get them, and you're going to get your good to go, guys. This is so beautiful. You're good to go just in the seconds. You have a website that is already ready for you to launch and start working with it. So we are going for the free version. That is what we are going for. So now the next one we are having, guys, which is the last one, is the site 123. So finally, the site 123, it is super simple and beginners friendly. It is great for what? For creating anyone, for this, great for anyone who wants who wants a website up and running immediately. If you want your website to be up and running immediately, you just need to go with this. So this is the official website. So you simply drag and drop website creation immediately. Whatever you want it to do for you is going to do. So you see thousands of certified customers that are also giving their reviews on how this helped them. So to work with these guys, as usual, you just need to click on get started. Get started, you're going to start entering all the requirements on how you want your website to look like, all the things how you want the website to be, what you want your website to have. You just need to click on it and you start telling it what you want it to do for you. It is very, very simple and understandable. It is simple and easy to use. You can see even how simple the website is. Very simple and easy to use. So you just tell it what you want. Just click on get started. Tell it everything you want it to do for you. It is going to do it. It is going to just keep writing and giving it all the things you want to do. And then, guys, one thing I'm going to tell you also the truth about all these free plans. The free plan, comes with some limitations. That's just the truth. You should understand that once you're using a free plans are good and they are beginners friendly for you to create. Are you going to create your website, full-fledged website? Yes, you're going to create it. But the point is that it always comes with some limitations like ads or the subdomain. So, but they are what? They are perfect to get started for free. You get it? So it is for free. And then one thing also I want to make you to understand is that if also you want me to be able to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to build your first website with, I just want you to do with these AIs, with these AI tools, whichever one you want, just comment in the comment section that start my first website below. Then I'm going to do what when I see it, I'm going to know that I'm going to go to now know that okay, let's do it so we can go through and build a full-fledged website. And guys, please, if you're watching up to now, don't forget to click the like button, share with your friends, share with others, your colleagues, share with others to know that there's something happening here that we can build. And then click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. It is going to go a long way to benefit you guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Start in the comment section so that I can be able to do what to start building our full-fledged website. Thank you so much, guys.